Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish. This is looking good, marvelous. How can they take feed? You can watch this video. Don't move, be seated. They are playing well and taking feed. Beautiful. This is looking good. Oh, they want to go from here. They're taking feed. Beautiful. This experience will marvelous. This will be marvelous experience. I hope you enjoy this video. There is koi and two koi fish. They're couple playing well. Oh, beautiful. Oh, they want to go from here. Oh, two are try. How can they go? Oh, yes, looking good. We go under the stone. Let's go under the stone. Oh, oh, yes. Oh, marvelous. Oh, jump. Give jump. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. It's come back. It's come back and it's try hard and sold. Beautiful, beautiful, looking good. Mashallah, mashallah. You're playing well, playing well. Oh yes, oh yes. Beautiful. He want to go. He want to go from here outside the. It's so this is a good job. I want to watch you. I want to watch you. Colorful fish, golden fish, and this is so beautiful fish, looking good. A koi fish, a comeback, little one. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, cute. Belly is fat. Wow, mashallah, looking good, excellent. This fish is royal. They are a liter. This body is so beautiful. This is rahu fish, golden rahu fish, looking good. Looking good. Here another one. Oh, yet come. Oh, beautiful. See you next video. Allah Hafiz, tata, bye bye. Take care.